Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bad guys costumes for boys out there, the Fun Shack Boys robber costume. Whether it's for Halloween, a themed party, or just some imaginative playtime, this costume promises to bring out your child's inner rascal. So, let's take a closer look. The Fun Shack Boys robber costume includes everything your little one needs to look the part. It features a classic striped t-shirt, blue dungarees adorned with eye-catching red button detailing, and of course, the essential black eye mask. This combination not only creates the perfect burglar look but also allows for a touch of fun and playfulness. Now, let's talk about the material. Made from 100% polyester, the fabric is designed to be lightweight and comfortable. It's wrinkle-resistant, which is a big plus for parents who want to keep things easy during the busy holiday season. Your child will be able to run around, play, and enjoy their time without feeling restricted or uncomfortable. The costume comes in various sizes to cater to different age groups. You can find sizes ranging from small, perfect for 4 to 6-year-olds, all the way to extra large for kids aged 12 to 14. Just remember to check the size chart before purchasing to ensure the best fit for your little burglar. What's great about this costume is its versatility. It's not just for Halloween. Your child can wear it for school dress-up days, themed parties, or even for fun playdates. It's perfect for kids who enjoy pretending to be a character from their favorite book or movie, adding a layer of creativity to their playtime. Overall, the Fun Shack Boys robber costume is an excellent choice for parents looking to give their kids a fun and memorable costume experience. It's well made, stylish, and most importantly, comfortable for your child to wear throughout the day. If you want your child to be the life of the party, this costume is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in getting the Fun Shack Boys robber costume, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, keep critiquing and happy costume shopping.